I listen to the radio in the car. She practices yoga in the morning. He fixes cars for a living. We meet our friends for coffee. They enjoy playing video games. The sun sets in the west. The birds build nests in the trees. The baby crawls on the floor. The teacher gives homework to the students. My sister sings in a choir. I study Spanish every day. She plays tennis on weekends. He helps his neighbors with gardening. We have a picnic in the park. They clean their room every week. The rain stops and the clouds clear. The wind blows the leaves off the trees. The train departs from the station. My brother fixes computers. The children play with toys. I take a bus to work. She meets her friends for lunch. He watches movies at home. We go shopping on Saturdays. They practice soccer drills. The moon appears in the sky. The stars shine brightly. The computer crashes and restarts. My friend gives me advice. The baby sleeps peacefully. I send text messages to my friends. She draws pictures in her notebook. He rides his bike to school. We eat dinner together as a family. They learn new skills. The river overflows after heavy rain. The waves carry seashells to the shore. The plane lands at the airport. My parents support me in my goals. The cat catches a mouse. I watch TV in the evening. She goes for a run in the park. He repairs electrical appliances. We go on vacation every year. They play board games with friends. The sun shines brightly. The birds migrate in the winter. The baby reaches for a toy. The teacher explains the lesson clearly. My sister writes poetry.